Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Shaheer Niazi from Treasures of Pakistan. Treasures of Pakistan is a small museum setup I started along with a collectible store as well on Instagram. We are doing a collaboration with Tasweerghar to curate the camera collection. This is the oldest camera in the collection. It is a Kodak Brownie Model C. These were started in the 1947 and they were discontinued by 57. So this is the simplest camera one can make. It just has one lens, which is called a meniscus lens, and that lens projects an image at the back of the film. These cameras were pretty cheap, ranging from $1 to $2 at the time, and were dedicated to the people of the lower class who wanted to get into photography. This just has a film canister here. You used to put the film in there, and it has two viewfinders, so one for viewing in landscape and one in portrait. Personally, what I find most interesting in these cameras is this camera. It's a twin lens Yashica matte. I think it's from the 1960s or 70s. It has an analog light meter on it, which is still working. So we can see that right now the needle's right in the middle, but if I cover my hand in front of it, the meter goes back all the way down. And this does not have any batteries in it. It's totally analog, so it shows the beauty of the machinery they had in those times.